Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your closet, this video will give you guidelines and principles to help you create a wardrobe that works for any occasion. In this video, we're going to talk about something that's essential for every man who wants to look great without spending a fortune: building a well-rounded and versatile wardrobe. When it comes to building a versatile wardrobe, starting with the basics is essential. These are timeless pieces that never go out of style and can be mixed and matched in countless ways. Here are some of the most versatile items available. A well-fitted white t-shirt is the must-have staple that can be worn on its own or used as a layering piece. A classic Oxford cloth button-down shirt is another essential item that can be dressed up or down and can be worn with jeans, chinos, or dress trousers, and even shorts. Dark denim jeans are another foundational piece that can be worn with virtually anything, dressed up with a blazer or dressed down with a casual shirt. Neutral chinos are also a great addition to your wardrobe, as they can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. And finally, clean white sneakers are a great shoe option that can be worn with almost any outfit, making them a staple in any guy's wardrobe. My personal favorite brand for essentials is Uniqlo. You can build a fantastic wardrobe out of purely Uniqlo products. Trust me, just stick to the basic colors. If you take one thing away from this video, I hope it is the following. Fit is king. Choosing clothing that fits you well is the most important aspect of building any wardrobe. Colors, fabrics, and coordination mean nothing if your clothes fit poorly. For maximum wearability, aim for clothing that is neither too loose nor too tight. Your clothing should sit on you naturally and feel comfortable, and should never be restricting. Opt for classic fit shirts with a straighter cut and avoid slim or skinny fit shirts that make you look like a sausage. The same goes for trousers. Aim for a more moderate, straighter leg with a higher rise, with the waistband 1 to 2 inches below your belly button, rather than skinny fit carrot-like legs. Classic and straight fit garments are infinitely more wearable as they are less susceptible to trends in fashion. When in doubt, feel free to reference the fit of clothes from brands like Ralph Lauren, J. Crew, and Brooks Brothers. When choosing colors for your wardrobe, it's important to stick with colors that can be easily mixed and matched. Black, white, gray, and navy are all great options that will work well with almost any other color. Neutral earth-toned colors like beige and khaki are also great for creating a cohesive and polished look. However, don't be afraid to add some personality to your wardrobe with pops of color. After white, gray, navy, and black, olive green and chocolate brown are great options. Just make sure that the colors you choose complement the rest of your outfit, your skin tone, and body shape. Remember not to overdo it with color. Stick to 2 or 3 main colors at most. If you look at any respected brand's campaigns, you will notice that at least 80% of the outfits follow this rule. For example, this year's Ralph Lauren campaign largely features navy and blue shirts and jackets for tops, and either white or beige trousers and shorts for bottoms. When it comes to fabrics, choose those that are durable, comfortable, and easy to care for. Natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen are great options as they are breathable and long-lasting. Cotton is a versatile fabric that is easy to care for and works well for all garments, ranging from underwear to shirts and trousers. Wool is a great option for suits and jackets and outerwear, as it is durable and provides warmth in colder months. Linen is another natural fabric that works well during summer for both tops and bottoms due to its breathable nature and typically open weave. Synthetic fabrics like rayon and polyester can also have a place in your wardrobe, and are primarily used for lightweight, breathable garments like summer and beach shirts. When choosing fabrics, also consider the climate you live in and the activities you engage in. For example, if you live in a hot and humid climate, you may want to choose lighter fabrics that are breathable and moisture-wicking like linen or rayon. Finally, let's talk about putting it all together. When building a versatile wardrobe, it's important to think about how each piece can be worn in multiple ways. Here are a few solid examples that you can use as inspiration. Start off with a simple white tee and dark denim jeans as a foundation. Complete the outfit with a navy or olive green hoodie or sweatshirt and white canvas sneakers for a casual everyday fit. For a business casual outfit, start with a white or light blue Oxford cloth button-down shirt and beige chinos. Complete the outfit with a tailored navy jacket and black leather loafers. Lastly, an oversized OCBD or beach shirt in neutral tones like off-white and beige pair perfectly with khaki shorts and white canvas sneakers for an easy summer fit. When in doubt, keep things simple. Less is more. Building a versatile wardrobe doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. By focusing on the basics, choosing versatile colors and fabrics, investing in key pieces, and coordinating appropriately, you can create a wardrobe that works for any occasion. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or tips for building a versatile wardrobe for guys, be sure to leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to reply. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.